In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a credit card to Xero efficiently. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to streamline their financial management, allowing for automated transaction imports that make accounting much more straightforward. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, start by navigating to your Xero dashboard. Once there, look towards the upper navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Accounting. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Bank Accounts. This section is where all your connected banking accounts will be managed and overseen. Next, begin the process of adding your account by locating and clicking the Add Bank Account button. This action will initiate a new setup window where you'll need to identify the bank or credit card issuer you are connecting to. In the search bar provided, type in the name of your credit card provider or bank. If your bank's name pops up on the list, you're in luck. This means there is a direct bank feed available, which facilitates a real-time connection. If you are operating from a different country, there's a handy filter by country option you can utilize to refine the search results and locate your bank more efficiently. After locating and clicking your bank's name, you'll be prompted to log into your online banking portal. Keep an eye out for a secure connection prompt indicating you are securely logging in. By authorizing Xero to access your account data, you agree to the secure encrypted connection Xero employs. Rest assured, this connection is read only, meaning Xero is unable to make any payments or transfer funds from your account. It will only access transactions for your records. Upon successful login and authorization, you'll be redirected back to Xero. Here, you will need to specify which credit card account you intend to connect from the list of options presented. Be sure to choose the exact account you want transactions imported from so that everything maps correctly to your records. Finally, to cement this connection, select the date from which you'd like to begin importing transactions and hit Finish. This step is vital for ensuring that only the recent transactions you're interested in will populate your ledger, keeping everything current and relevant. And that's it. You have now successfully linked your credit card to Xero. Your recent credit card transactions will begin importing into Xero, which will substantially ease the burden of manual entry and promote real-time financial oversight. With these steps, managing your business finances can become a much more automated and stress-free experience. So take a moment to review everything and let the streamlined power of Xero take care of the rest. Keep tuned for more tutorials that help simplify your accounting processes.